Hello Sagittarius, in your psychic reading from the month of September to December. In this reading, I will channel some messages for all of you from divine angels and my spirit guides. Remember, this is a journal reading. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. So, Sagittarius, I am getting right now you are struggling with your life. Like it's difficult to feel balanced, peaceful, and happy at this moment because you guys are dealing with some people who are not good for your mental health and who are causing troubles to you. It could be your karmic partner, your family members, your friends, or the people and circumstances out there. But I am seeing by the end of September and in the beginning of October, you will be at peace. A peace is coming towards you, Sagittarius, and the people who are troubling you will not trouble you again because you will accept this fact and you will move on in your life and you will let go of these people. You will reach at the level where you will feel okay. I don't care what you feel, what you think about me. I am me, and that's enough. And you will move on from people. I am also seeing you will not give suggestion or receive suggestion from the people who are not good for you. Some of you guys are really struggling with your finances, like you have difficulties in your finances, in your career, but I am seeing by the end of December or in the beginning of December your finances will be good. I am seeing a lot of finances, a lot of money energy is coming towards you in the month of December. If you guys are looking for a career, then I am seeing a new opportunity for career is coming towards you. I am also seeing, guys, you are manifesting some desires, you are trying to manifest something, and by the end of November these things will come true. Some of you really manifesting a soulful connection, soulmate or twin flame. So I'm seeing in the mid of November you will meet this person or you will come to know who this person is. I am also seeing if you guys are already in a stable and soulmate relationship, then your relationship will bloom and you will feel a lovable connection, a happy moment with your person. I am also seeing, guys, if you are around negative people, karmic people, these people will leave you or you will move on from these people because you will come to know your mental health is more important to you than this kind of people. I am also seeing some of you guys are struggling with health, so I am seeing a lot of healing is coming towards you in the beginning of October. You will feel relief and you will feel healthy and fit again. I am seeing, guys, a new lover, a new person is coming towards you. As I told you before, in the month of November someone new is coming towards you and this person will have good intentions for you and this person will help you in your growth, in personal growth, in spiritual growth, and in love and relationship growth. I am also seeing, guys, some of you are connected with divine, with angels and spirit guides, and some of you really have some spiritual gift. It could be a strong intuition and some psychic abilities. I am seeing, guys, you will receive direct message from divine, from the universe, from the angels. I am also seeing your crown chakra will blown up and you will be direct receive messages from the spirit world. Guys, I am also seeing you need to work on your heart chakra because I am seeing there is a problem in your heart chakra. So please listen to some heart chakra meditation and do some yoga exercise so you can heal your heart chakra. If you guys have or had lost your loved one, then I am sensing a message for all of you from the heaven. Your loved one is looking for you, looking over you, and they are always around you, they are always support you. You just have to open your heart to receive their guidance, to receive their love. I am also seeing a direct guidance and signs are coming for you from the heaven. Please pay attention to the numbers you are seeing, to the butterflies, to the signs which you are seeing continuously, because these signs have specific messages for you guys. try to understand these messages. These messages are coming direct from the heaven. I'm also seeing, guys, your third eye will become more stronger in the mid of November. You will see things beyond the illusion. You will receive some visions related to your love life, related to your career. Basically, a direct guidance from the divine is coming towards you. You just have to open your heart to receive this. I'm also sensing, guys, from the month of January, you guys are feeling really low, really depressed, because a lot of healing is taking place in your life. So I am seeing a period of stability, happiness, and healing is coming towards you. I am also seeing a good time with your friend circle is coming. You will enjoy a lot a birthday party, or you will go out with your friends just for party, just to spend time with themselves. Guys, I am strongly getting here manifestation is coming true and the best is yet to come. If you guys are low or feeling depressed, then remember, best thing takes time. You just have to be patient and manifest your desires. If you are not applying any law of attraction practice, then please write down all your wishes which you want to manifest in your life and read these wishes daily. So a lot of manifestation power is coming towards you. You guys have power to manifest all your desires, to all your dreams. So right now it's better to focus on manifestation than on the other things in your life. So please, guys, shift your focus from the negativity to the positivity, and leave all the karmic, all the negative people behind, and move forward with love, joy, and happiness. So guys, these are the messages for all of you from the divine and angels. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and liked my video. We'll see you in another reading. Thank you. Bye bye.